It's nighttime, 9:56 at night. Another beautiful day or night. Yep. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. Okay, you Civilization fans, we got a problem. Listen to this. It says Civilization 6 Leader Pass breaks the game for some players. Players report that Civilization 6 won't load after purchasing and installing the Civilization 6 Leader Pass DLC, following updates to the 4X strategy game from Firaxis. Says here, Civilization 6 Leader Pass introduced a new chunk of content for fans of one of the best 4X games. Unfortunately, it's also causing chaos as the update has broken things for a chunk of the game player base, with many users reporting that they can't load Civilization 6 on their Windows PC, Mac OS, or Linux operating system, including Proton. Developer Firaxis has released an update for the strategy game that appears to have resolved the issue for some, but many report that they still can't get into matches, or that own DLC is missing when they do. Says here, also among the report issues was a problem with entitlements for the Leader Pass, which is free to players who either purchase the Civilization 6 anthology or own all Civilization 6 DLC on the Steam or Epic Games Store. This was not registering in some cases, with the official Civ Twitter account reporting that the issue has now been resolved and should be rolling out to all eligible players, though it note that this may still take some time. So in other words, be patient. It says here, it appears that an update released after the initial issue followed the release of the Leader Pass resolve issue for some players who couldn't open the game, but many players in an extensive thread on Steam forums report that they are still unable to open the game. Others say that they can load into Civilization 6 okay, but that it is only showing the base version of the game without any purchase DLC issue. And then it says here, the Civilization 6 publisher on Mac OS, Aspy, has posted a message helping players on Mac system to resolve the issue causing the game to not launch correctly. Then it says this involved going through file verification and forcing it to run through system security settings. It's certainly an awkward workaround. Being unable to open a game is frustrating at the best of times. We're talking the holidays. Then it says, but it's certainly even more unfortunate when it comes after the release of new content, and especially so when it appears that the content update itself might be the root cause. Players on the forum and responding to devs on Twitter seem mostly asking for Firaxis to acknowledge that it is working on a fix for the issue. So players, be patient. The update is coming. But anyway, it says here, in the meantime, you may want to try uninstalling all your Civilization 6 mods to see whether that fixes the problem. That's step one. You could also take the opportunity to read through our picks of the best Civilization 6 civs to play as our Civilization 6 tier list for multiplayer, so you can decide which leader to pick next. Our Civilization 6 strategy guide is also a great way to get to grips with the system if you're still learning how to play Civilization 6. So what this all boils down to right now is being patient. You could follow the steps by uninstall the mods and try to install the game and play the games without the mods, but the best way right now is probably be patient and wait till a DLC come out, but still try to uninstall the mods from the game and play the game without the mod and see if that works. If that doesn't work, be patient, and A new update should be coming your way. Thanks to social media, we got a way of communicating. We got a way to reach the developers and talk to them right away. See, before this whole social media and before the internet really took off, we didn't have no way. You know what I'm saying? We had to wait. We had to wait for magazines to be printed before they can put the information in the magazine so we can get the answer to the problem. But now we got the internet with social media now, so it's easy now to get to a developer and talk to them, especially like on Twitter, probably Facebook, or probably on Reddit. So right now it's all about being patient, but do try to uninstall the mods and then play the games without the mod and see if the game works, and then wait for the actual update, and then when you get the update, install it, then install the mods, reinstall the mods, and then see if everything works fine. If not, you always have Twitter, you always have Reddit, and all those forums to talk to the developers. So give it a try and see what happens. But anyway, I'm gonna leave this video with the article. Plus, I'm gonna leave the all the guides that they suggest in the description box. You can click on the links. Anyway, nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek thing. Board Dark Side. Go. Peace.